Hi everyone, welcome to this class where we are going to use the last command to view the contents of a file. Great, let's get started. Let's open a terminal and then cd to the computing folder, and then let's create a file using the cat command, and let's call this file languages.txt. Okay, and then let's write some languages: English, French, Spanish, and Japanese. Fantastic. And now to exit this, remember we enter and then Control C. And now if we want to see the content of this file, we use the less command. For the type less, L-E-S-S, and then space, and then the name of the file. So languages.txt, then enter. And as you can see, it lists the contents of the file. So we have English, French, Spanish, Japanese languages that we previously typed. And now to exit this, we press the key button, and there it is. We exit. Let's create one more file. Just make sure that we know this well. Cat greater than and sports. Okay, let's call it sports.txt. Sports.txt. Actually, even better. Let's call it websites.txt. Yes, let's list. So let's list some for, well, at least my favorite websites. Yes, let's list my favorite websites. Enter. One of my favorite websites is Twitter. Yes, twitter.com. I also like adderfax.com. Adderfax is a esports website. Another website that I like a lot is instagram.com. And then let's list our company's website, adamrobotics.com. So we have twitter.com, adderfax.com, instagram.com, and adamrobotics.com. And then enter, and then Control C to exit. And now to see the contents of the file, let's use the less command again, less, and then the name of the file, enter, and there we have it. Twitter.com, adderfax.com, instagram.com, and adamrobotics.com. Now to exit, don't forget Q. We press the key button. Thank you for listening. That's all we have to learn in this class. The less file, which is very useful if you want to see the contents of a file quickly without having to use the graphical user interface. Yes, actually, let's open the file using the graphical user interface and double check. As you can see, same content is same, but using less command is more efficient and much faster. Okay, see you in next class where we are going to use the grep command to search content in files. See you, goodbye.